All right, hey guys, many of you have been asking me to do a simple version of a song. I'm going to do Reckless Love, just the verses. I'm going to show you a very simple strumming pattern on this. I'm going to capo on the 5th fret, and I invite you to join me at Worship the King, to join Worship the King at any time. I have all of the courses and online lessons to help you get even better. But this is going to be very simple, just the verse, and I'll make some other videos that you can check in the playlist for the chorus and the bridge, but very, very simple. Using the chords I teach in the modern worship guitar course, E minor, D, and C. Now this strumming pattern is all going to be down. It's kind of an 8th note pattern, so it's very simple like this. So E minor, D, C, and then all down like that. 1, 2, and just very soft. Now, if you're having a problem making the guitar sound like this, definitely go to worshiptheking.com or search through some of the other YouTube videos I have. I'm talking a lot right now about tone and how to get a good tone out of the guitar and not sound jangly. So you're going to start out just really lightly raking the pick over at a down motion. So it's E minor, D, and C. I also show you in all my courses how to make these very simple chords where you're not moving your fingers all over the place. So I invite you to come worship the King, become an online student. But let's, I'm going to start singing this now. So we've got this rhythm going, and this is all you'd have to do to perform this song. We're going to go to the verse. Before I spoke a word, you were singing over me. You have been so, so good. I spoke the breath, breathe your life in me. You have been so, so good to me. So that is just as simple as the verse goes, okay? I'm going to do it one more time. I got the words a little jumbled up, but here's the exact words. Before I spoke a word, singing over me. You have been so, so good to me. For I took a breath, breathe your life in me. You have been so, so kind. That is the verse. I'm going to go back and show you, I'm just going to show you again what I'm doing. E minor, D, C. So E minor, and it's actually 6 down on each one. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again on C, 2, 4 to E minor, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this, like every other song, has a same pattern going through the whole verse. The chorus is much similar, and I'm going to put that link to that video right in here in the YouTube video for the chorus as I release them every day. I'm putting up a new video, and I'm inviting you to join me to become an online student. Check it out at worshiptheking.com. We have a free trial, so you can come in and you can check out how everything works with a free trial. You can look through the lessons. But I'm teaching very simple, E minor, D, C. The very simple chord changes, and how you get that sound. It's not just like it's an E minor chord, because there's a lot of different E minor chords. So you got to know the right shape pattern of an E minor. If you haven't got the free download, go to my store, worshiptheking.com, or shop.worshiptheking.com. I'll put the links in here. You can get a free chord chart that shows the exact chord charts I use on every worship song: the E minor, the C, the G, the D. So just try to work this out, and when you're ready, go on to the chorus, and we'll be putting it together a little at a time. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. That would really help. God bless you guys.